These cold weather conditions are driving more people indoors, including the marginalized and vulnerable communities. And as shelters reach max capacity, some activists are raising funds to provide those communities and workers with N95 masks.
With the recent cold spike that we're encountering in province, when you have a lot of the unhoused individuals clustering together essentially in the tunnels for warmth, they're choosing between their protection from the cold and their protection from the virus. And that's just not fair.
To address this issue, Alberta activist collective Protect Our Province and the Canadian Association of PPE Manufacturers are teaming up to raise $25,000 to purchase around 15,000 N95 respirators. The initiative, named Mask Equity Alberta, has reached half of its GoFundMe goal as of Tuesday. Albert Nobbs says that when they reach their fundraising goal, they'll receive their order of masks within a week, which will then be given to outreach teams like Water Warriors, Bear Clan Patrol, and Boots on Ground for distribution.
They'll be the ones who will be distributing them to those who might be unhoused, those who might be less advantaged, and those who already have a relationship with these organizations to begin with. That said, we're also going to be getting in touch with women's shelters, shelters in general, hospices, and other organizations like immigration centers and whatnot.
It's very cost prohibitive, of course, for an agency or a nonprofit like ours to go ahead and purchase these. So for them to do something like that, it means a lot, and it means we can be out there and safely out there.
Boots on Ground co-founder Angela Staines says these masks will allow their organization to continue doing street outreach and harm reduction, and they could even mean shelters won't have to close due to COVID outbreaks.
If that happened, I don't even know what would happen to our community if we had to start shutting these doors because of outbreaks. It's a terrifying thought. We would lose people. Absolutely, we would lose people.
Nobbs says mask equity is an ongoing issue, so raising $25,000 through Edmontonians' generosity is just the start. And if they exceed that goal, the excess will go toward additional respirator orders. In Edmonton, in an extreme cold weather warning, Sarah Chu, City News.